Alright, welcome back to the vlog. This is what we did today. Well, what I did. Right here. I put oh my god. I'm trying to remember how's that called. I completely forgot. I got the name. It's like, oh my god. I can't remember right now. But anyway, I put this on today. What I did, it was I ordered the ones that come with a 3M tape. They come with a 3M tape on the tip, and they come with a 3M tape here on the other tip. But at the same time, they got the hole for you to drill if you want to drill. But if you don't want to drill, you can just use 3M tape and just put them there, and you don't have to make a hole on them. Now I did drill. So what I did is that I used the 3M tape and I set them the way I wanted to set them. Make sure they were even on both sides. You can take a look. Let me know if they're not even, but they look pretty much even to me. So I put them with 3M tape, and then after I put them with 3M tape, what I did is that I leave this piece in here, and I just disconnected from here, and I disconnected from here, and I took the rod out. Tie rod, is that what it is? I think that's the name. Anyway, I took this out, and then what I did is I drilled the hole with this in here, and I drilled the hole with this in here, and I put the screws, and then I put this back on and tied it up here and tied it up down there. I did the same thing on both sides, so like that I could make sure that it was even. Got myself on the process. I was gonna paint. I was thinking about painting the chrome the same color, this color right here. I was thinking of painting the chrome this color, but I don't know. I think it might look kind of like ricer a little bit. I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna leave it chrome the way it is. I don't think it would look right if I put the same color here, which is not like exactly the same color. So you probably will able to tell the difference there. And then out of the sun, you got this red dot here and over there because everything else is black. So to me, I think it looked better chrome. If you think I should paint it, leave it on the comment section, and I might think about it. But I think it looked better the way it is. But I just got done doing that. I know some people don't like it, but I do like them. I like to put them on my cars. And the reason why I put it on my cars is because I'm planning on lower this car. And sometimes when you take them bumps and stuff like that, this thing can scrape. And with this thing scraping, I got screws holding it, but sometimes it can come loose. You know what I mean? So that's why I always like to put this stuff just to give it support, to keep it in place in case I ever take a bump or anything. You know what I mean? I don't end up losing the lip somewhere. So I always do that. The tie rods, I think that's the name, tie rods. But anyway, if you think they look ugly, leave it on the comment section. If you think they look okay, let me know. I think they look pretty. I think they look good. I don't know, I like them. I always like them. And now on the BMW, I didn't like them. I was gonna put them on. I actually bought this for the BMW, and they were blue, and I put black vinyl on them to make them black. But when I put them in the BMW, I didn't like how they look on the BMW. But on this car, actually, I'm digging it. You know what I mean? I think they look cool. I don't know. Anyway, that was the video for today. Well, like I said, if you got the ones that got the 3M tape on the tips, you can like glue them, like put them there, like mock them, put them there, and then when you see that both is like the same on both sides, then you just take this piece off, and then you just screw. You got the hole right there, and then you just screw in it, put the lock, the nut on the ball, the same thing here, and then you put this piece back on. Just tie it up here. Pretty easy that way. If you do it that way, it's pretty easy. Instead of just drilling and then noticing that it's not even and you have to drill again, that wouldn't be cool. But they turn out pretty even. So thanks to the new subscriber. Hit the like button, hit the bell if you want to know when I upload my next video, and you already know. Till the next one, be safe.